But for the most part here, we're gonna use our ears and our nose. So if power makes it all the way to the solenoids, you should hear a click come out of the solenoid. Keep in mind that that is a different noise than the tick we're going to hear coming out of the igniter. The full sound story, if you will, is going to be click, tick, 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 whum. So the click is the solenoids opening up to allow gas to go through. The tick, 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 tick is the igniter trying to ignite that propane. And the whum is hopefully ignited propane and some flame and you get hot water.